So these are the Balenciaga 3XL sneakers which I just ordered and I got them today, and these are in the color Eggshell slash black, my size 43. Hoping for the best. Case for the shoes. So here are the shoes in the color Eggshell slash black. Wow, as you can see they are like really distressed. And the good part about having distressed shoes is that I don't actually have to clean them very often. But yeah, they look real nice. Let's see how they look on the feet. So this is how they look on feet, and I'm already wearing like wide leg jeans, and you see they look really nice, and to be honest they are extremely comfortable, like really comfortable. I have a pair of sneakers from New Balance as well, 1906, and these ones, to be honest, to me they feel more comfortable than the New Balance. And yeah, it's quite roomy actually. Yes. And yeah, as I said, the best part about them being distressed is that I won't have to clean them, and they're also white, so that's a good part.